Hi, it's Ronnie, and I want to share my kit for how to kill a kit with style for June. Oh, that needs to go over here. um, this is a secret, not secret kit from the club, and um, I have some outdoorsy pictures to do, so that's why I wanted to use that for my kit this month. And it is Camp Happy Bear by Becky Moore, and it's photo play. And Christina sent some other stuff too. And let's see, this is with veneer, which are adorable. A tree, a teepee, BU, an arrow, and a deer head. And I am going to add just a few more. I went through and I just kept pulling and pulling. I went to get stars, wood stars, but then I kept seeing other stuff, and so I just kept pulling. Chances are I am definitely not going to use this many, but it goes so well with this that I had to add some more. I've got the ephemera, and it's the whole package, and this is what it has on the back. She also sent some wood veneer from Indigo Mist, Rosie Studio, and they are gorgeous. I probably should have added a little more gold since those have gold on there. I didn't realize that. A giant tag, which I may or may not use, and this gorgeous thing right here. I'll be trying to scrimp and save and use it as many layouts as I can. But to go with that, I pulled out something else. These are very, very old, and they're stitches, and you just glue them down, and like it has adhesive on the back, which I'm sure is not very good anymore because they are very old. But yeah, look how good this reds go, and the blues and the greens, and so yeah, I had to pull that out to use, get something from my stash that goes in there. But this is what it all contains. And I also got this, but I'm not putting it in the kit. But isn't that gorgeous? A cut file. I'm gonna save that for something else. This cut apart sheet in the back right here, but I think I'll be using the cut apart sheet side because there's things on here I'd want to fussy cut. And this one's so cute. Beaver, and well, I think they're both beavers, I think. Or this might be something else, I can't see the tail. And raccoons, owls, birds, ducks, and dots on the back, which I love dots. And this one's definitely camping. Trees with tents and stuff, and a wood grain. Oh, that's awesome. And of course there's two, so you know I can use both. And another cut apart, which has gorgeous too. You can tell this is the first time I looked at these papers. I did look at the other stuff, but I hadn't looked at these papers. So I am not sure what I'm going to use on that because I like them both. I guess I'll have to fussy cut one because there's some awesome stuff to fussy cut. And this one has little teeny tiny earth tone flowers, and then the back is that plaid, and I had a hard time matching that plaid. I couldn't find anything really to get this color, so I kind of got a burnt orange instead because it matches so much of the burnt orange in these. And this fishing one, oh, and another cut apart. Oh my goodness, y'all know I like to fussy cut while I'm watching TV. I will be having so much fun. I'll probably end up getting cramps or something. And this is the sticker sheet. Oh, some good stuff on there and lots of words to use. And I did put a few wood veneer words in there because I didn't realize there was this many words on there. And we've seen that one before. Well, I guess we've seen both of them before. I don't know what they're doing down there. And she sent me 3 extra wood grain papers to go with this. Thank you so much, Christina. They are gorgeous, and they will go so well with that. And I added cardstock, and I added quite a bit. Y'all know I like to use cardstock. Of course, I added white, but I added a couple black and a dark blue, and here's that burnt orange. It's a dark burnt orange, and it's Coronations. So if I was to sand it, I'd probably get like a light, well, let's see. Yeah, it's a little lighter. You can see the difference. I'll probably get that other color coming through. And then there's this one. And I also added, these were on my desk in the bowl, so I thought I'm going to add them. But I do reserve the right to pull any dies out, punches, or stamps to go with the collection, because anytime I can use my tools, I want to use my tools. I found these, and these are autumn ones, and they're by Freckled Fawn, and some enamel dots that I thought would go. But that's it. That's my kit for June, and I hope you join me on the scrapbook process videos. Thank you. Have a nice week. Well, I signed off. I thought I was done, and then I started pulling stuff out because I thought, I'm going to make a layout right now. And I looked over here and seen these. I forgot to share them. I did put a couple Nuvo drops in there and some crochet thread. I got 4 washi to put in there. They all seem to go, and it's variety. And so if it's in there, and there went one rolling, and oh my goodness. Yeah, I do see it though. I am trying to get it. Okay, but yeah, those. And then I have this twine here. But yeah, I wanted to make sure I showed them because they are in the kit. I'm sure y'all seen them sitting here and was saying, okay, are you going to share them? But have a happy scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.